You see, this week it really gets busier because Uvuvu does not want to let go about this thing of Patricia Makeba, because now she decided to go deep. Went to some town, tried to search, and then found out, actually Patricia was actually not happy about her pregnancy, and that being, she never went to Eastern Cape. So which means that Indaba Mthunzi Mayiza is a lie. Now she came back and then trying to find out what has happened to her. She went as far as calling the Home Affairs and then realized, bam, Patricia Makeba is not in the land of the dead. So which means we appeal, and that actually made the enthusiasm to be more and more. Now she wants to find out, where is she, what happened to the baby, is the baby alive, what is going on. At the time when she was not happy with the pregnancy, did she actually terminate or did she go through with the pregnancy? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani avuxeni malweni minjhani hi pfukile hi ngangwini. So namuntlha ka wa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Mthunzi Mayiza is trying to paint this picture or narrative that ubaba usemdi ulahlekelwe izingqondo, and that's not true. And he's taking it way so far to making him actually believe that he is forgetful of things and he's able to do things while subconscious. On the other hand, the appointment which he keeps postponing or coming with a lie after lie. Now my question is, when is he going to find out ukuthi lo muntu lo udlala ngayo? And I just want to find out, did Ubab Semidi actually told his brother, 50 tower, was it 50? No, it's not 50, it's 500. Yeah, half a meter is gone to Mthunzi. And that time, Mthunzi agayeke nkosi yami, after that 500,000, I would have let go, but he didn't. While on the other hand, he decided that she was going to hire a nanny, and a nanny looks like it's doing too well, but I foresee her going overboard. Because kiyo mtu secha chela maroti ka hare ha di batata bana, and umama wabantwana anje, she's not about that life. Ati yena in the way sikhulisa abantwana ngakhona is bad because everything is on the app, and he just wants to have like that specific time nabantwana bakhe ungabi nomuntu o disturb by. On the other hand again, uDintle says that actually she's going to make sure ukuthi lo mntana lo uyezazosebenza la and give her false information so that arohanye lilapa, so that yena nobaba wakhe they just stay apart, kungabi nomendo. So now, like at the end of the day, uDintle has turned to be that woman sithuba malapa samanit. How hurtful.